Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on the way to Thalakona Falls from Horsley Hills. This is like a continuation ride of mine from Horsley Hills to Thalakona Falls, and I thought of to go to some place, and Thalakona Falls turned out to be the nearby place for me. So I'm going to Thalakona Falls from Horsley Hills, and from Thalakona Falls I'll be directly going to my native. So let's get started. And by the way, I just stopped here to refuel my tank and have a cup of coffee as well.
Well guys, the route that I'm going to take to reach Thalakona Falls is something like this: Horsley Hills, Angallu, Vayalpadu, Kalikeri, Teeleru, Bagrapeta, and then Thalakona Falls. So I just crossed 4 of the places, that is Angallu, and the second place which I crossed was Vayalpadu. Third place is Kalikeri, and the fourth place I just crossed now is Teeleru. So from Teeleru, Thalakona Falls is somewhere around 60 kilometers is what, 60 or 50 kilometers is what the locals are saying. So as I said in the morning, I'm taking the advantage of not using the Google Maps. So I'm just inquiring about the place from the localites here and getting to know the directions and all. There were not many things for you guys also to see on the way from Horsley Hills to Teeleru. At least it's the same road that you guys are seeing here, right? Similar to this road, it was the same way till Teeleru as well. I think from Bagrapeta we need to cover 15 more kilometers, and from Teeleru, Bagrapeta is what, 30 kilometers or 35 kilometers, so roughly around 50. Local instructions again, not depending upon Google Maps. Most of the lakes are already dried, man. Just imagine this. This is what? This is April starting, if not April starting, at least March end. Look at the situation here. Imagine about the situation in May. I think the water which is there now will not be there. Bagrapeta. Sir, Thalakona Falls get polla? Straight ఎంత దూరం ఉంది ఇంకా? 15 కిలోమీటర్లా? ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Still we need to cover 15 or 16 kilometers is what one guy said, and the other guy was telling that, you know, it is even more. Okay, let us see how many kilometers we need to cover. But anyways, we are almost there. I think this Thalakona Falls is in the middle of forest is what I have seen. In the Google map it says that, you know, it is in the middle of forest. So let's see. I think if that is the case, probably I can expect more greenery of that sort. So we had to take a token here. 15 rupees is for 2-wheelers that we need to pay, and they'll take a signature for going now, and while coming or while returning back you will have to do a signature again to inform them that, you know, you have come back from the place that you went. Probably a safety measure. Get this call, lah. So here you just have to give out the token that you have taken in the entrance there. So here you just have to show it to these people and then they'll make a note of it. And then you can go as usual. Done. Okay, I think till here we can come, and from here onwards probably we need to walk, if I'm not wrong.
This is where, in case if you want to have some fun in the water, you guys can have it here. It's not that deep, so this is like starting point, and this is how you need to enter towards falls. Let's see how the falls will be there now. Can you guys hear the sound, man? At least I can hear it. I'm presuming that even you guys can also hear the sound. See here? Yeah, it is so small. The reason being, it's a summer season. I just reached top of Thalakona Falls. This is how the view of this falls is. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the better view here in Thalakona Falls in summer season. Nevertheless, I'll just show you guys the current view of this Thalakona Falls that is in summer. Just have a look at this, guys. We have a temple here, guys, Thalakona Siddheshwara Swami Devasthanam. So in case if you guys go in this way and take a left turn, it will direct you guys towards Thalakona Falls. This is another place where in which in case if you guys come to Thalakona, you guys can visit this temple. Hey guys, I am on the way towards a parking lot now. Probably I'll be leaving from here to my native. So in case if you have liked this vlog for any of the reasons, do not forget to hit that like button for more updates related to the travel videos that I'm going to upload on my channel. Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press that bell icon which is there next to subscribe button. For now, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you. Take care. And I'm really sorry about the place, and I did not know that this place would be so horrible in summer season. I thought there would be some amount of water. There was some water, but not like a regular falls kind of a thing. So nonetheless, I hope you liked it, and probably I'll come here in winter or rainy season once again and capture this place in a proper way and then upload it in my channel. For now, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you. Take care.